Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ulfah Lutfiatun. I'm from 2A PBI class. I will explain the article by Dimas Abdul Aziz. The title is The Effect of Using English Authentic Reading Materials on the A grade student reading comprehension achievement at SMP Negeri 1 Purworejo. The background is reading is an activity to find information and ideas from various reading media such as books, television, internet, etc. To improve reading comprehension, SMPN 1 Purworejo Jember conducted a research using English reading teaching methods with authentic teaching materials. Using authentic teaching materials, especially in learning reading comprehension, is very helpful in reading comprehension because with this method it will be easier for teachers to deliver learning materials with more interesting and relatable content. Research shows that with this method of using authentic teaching materials, students' ability in understanding reading comprehension is significantly increased compared to the old method. Methodology. The method that they use from the research is an experimental research with the non-equivalent groups posted only design. The pinpoint area was at SMPN 1 Tempurrejo Jember, which was determined on purpose. The study used a cluster random sampling to take samples because the object of this study had several different groups and the groups were not strata. There are two kinds of data used in this research. They are primary data and secondary data. Primary data is the students' reading comprehension test scores. Then the supporting data are the results of interviews with an English teacher of A grade students or research persons, and the school's document for class A student of SMP Negeri 1 Tempurrejo for the 2011 or 2013 academic year. In this study, the post-test was used in this study to measure the student reading ability. Finding. The result of the data analysis showed that the statistical value of significance column was lower than 0.05 point brackets 0.486 brackets. It could be concluded that the use of English authentic reading material had a significant effect on the A grade students' reading comprehension achievement at SMPN 1 Temporojo, Jember. In the 2011 or 2012 academic year. Based on the research result above, some suggestions are given to the English teacher, the students, and the other researchers. 1. It is suggested to the English teacher of SMPN 1 Purworejo. 2. The students of SMPN 1 Temporojo are suggested to enhance their reading comprehension achievement by practice reading using English authentic materials from magazines or newspapers. 3. The other researchers in the future are suggested to use the research result as information or input to conduct further research with different research design such as a class action research to improve the students' reading comprehension achievement by using authentic reading materials such as brochure, booklets, food pack, and beverage cans. Hypothesis. Reading is one way to get information where someone can find it anywhere, either from television and the internet. Because reading is most important component in all activities in English subjects. Components of language, namely pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary, must also be learned to support language skills. Based on the results of the English teacher interview that authentic reading materials have never been used by teachers. Understanding of Class A SMPN 1 Temporojo, Jember. So, it is necessary to do research in this school. That the research design was a quasi-experimental. Research objectives to find out the effectiveness of the methods used in learning English, such as by asking questions using a text, then asking what the text is about. The study was conducted on the A-grade students in the school, as well as the English teacher. Thank you for your attention. It is enough from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.